How to remove time limits on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Snapchat. Make sure that it is up to date. Tap on Maybe Later at the bottom. You have to enter your login credentials, as in your username and the password, and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. From here, select any of the filter that you want to use in order to click the snap. Let's say I want to take the snap with this filter. Now tap on the snap button. Once you have taken the snap, right here at the right side of the screen, you'll get to see the timer icon. Click on it. You can see that the time limit has been set to 2 seconds. In order to remove the time limit, what you want to do is scroll all the way down and you'll get to see this infinity icon. You have to choose this icon before you send the snap to any of the person. Once it's done, you can send the snap to any person you want to on Snapchat. And then the time limit will be removed successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove time limit on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.